Alright guys, here we are, update number 3 for Rogue Patriot and Year of the Beard. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already, and checking out my website, thebeardedoutdoorsman.com. There'll be a link to that in the description below, but you can get over there and check out. I've got a bunch of information about Year of the Beard. I've got discount codes. Yeah, you just need to go check it out. Okay, anyway, today is update number 3 for Rogue Patriot Beard Company and Year of the Beard. So we're moving right through the month of October. I'm telling you, it's going by really fast, which this whole year has gone by super fast. And today we're going to be talking about another scent from Rogue Patriot. So which scent did I go with next? Spiced Orange. So we're going to talk about spiced orange in oil, balm, and butter today. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So been using spiced orange for the last week, and according to the label, this is what it says: a delightful blend of spicy orange and black spruce. Now what Brandon sent me also mentioned that it had some cinnamon in there. So here is the butter container in that cobalt blue. Scroll around. These awesome labels. I mean, I love these labels that Brandon is doing over at Rogue Patriot. So you can see this kind of that little bit yellowish color. It's got that beeswax in there. One thing about Rogue Patriot, all the butters, regardless of the scent, have the same ingredients. All the oils, regardless of the scent, have the same ingredients, and the same with the balms. So let's look at the balm here. And if you guys missed the unboxing, I'll put a card up top. You can go check that unboxing out. We went over all this stuff and talked about ingredients in that. And at the end of the month, we'll have a final thoughts where we'll break down a little bit more about the ingredients. So this is the balm. You see, I didn't use quite as much of that as I did the butter, but I still used a good bit of it. It smells so good. We're gonna get to the scent in just a minute. So this is the label for the balm. You got the label on the front that has the scent profile, and then on the back you've got ingredients and directions and made in Texas. And then here is our oil, pump top, 1 ounce cobalt blue pump top container. So that's it. All right, this stuff smells amazing. So let's just start with in container. In container, I get that fall scent. I get that mixture of that cinnamon, that orange, that black spruce. I get that mixture, and it's just like a fall scent. It smells like cooler weather. It just smells really good. Oh, it smells good. And then when you warm this up in your hand, you get a little bit of a tweak on that. When I warm it up in my hand, I get a little bit more of the orange, a touch less cinnamon than I do in container or in bottle. And then when it goes in beard, I really just get a hint of that cinnamon with that orange on the front notes. It just smells really good. It's a citrusy scent. All right, so the oil is, we've talked about it before, it does have castor as the number 2 ingredient, so it is a little bit thicker oil. And we'll do 2 pumps there, so you can see this is a little bit thinner than some of the others. And we'll warm this up. I already got product in my beard, but I don't really care. Oh, it smells so good. I get 0 carrier in any of this. In the oil, the balm, the butter, I get 0 carrier. All I get is that spiced orange scent profile, and it smells really good. Now, how's it done in the last week for my beard? Amazing. I absolutely love these products from Rogue Patriot. So we're gonna have a full video about that and how they've done for my beard for the entire month at the end of the month as final thoughts. But this is these are really good products, really good quality carrier base, and just smells really, really good. So check it out. Brandon did give us a discount code of Year of the Beard, and that will save you some money over on his website. Prices: oils are $15, balms are $15, and butters are $20. He does also have some combo packs, and those combo packs save you about $5 a piece. According to the combo pack, it's all $5 it saves you if you get a combo, regardless if it's a 2 or a 3. So get over, check out Rogue Patriot, and use your discount code. All right, and that's it. I think that's all we got for today, guys. So until next week, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.